Most people work hard their entire lives and still struggle financially. Not because they don't earn enough, but because they don't understand money. Today, I'll break down the 3 principles that separate financial freedom from financial stress. Making money, the foundation. Making money is the foundation of all wealth creation. Before you can invest, build assets, or earn passive income, you must first generate cash flow. Money itself is neutral, it is simply a tool. What you do with it determines whether it grows, stagnates, or disappears. In today's economy, there are 3 primary ways to make money: through a job, through business, or through skills. Employment provides stability but is limited by time. Businesses create scalable income through systems. Skills offer flexibility, global reach, and fast income growth. Understanding these paths helps you allocate your time, effort, and capital strategically. Managing money, protection and control. Making money alone is not enough. Without management, money leaks. Managing money means budgeting, controlling expenses, and protecting wealth, especially in volatile markets like crypto. A simple and effective framework is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for spending, covering daily and monthly living expenses. 30% for investments, stocks, crypto, funds, real estate, or businesses. 20% for savings, emergency funds, and short-term goals. Proper money management creates stability and prepares you for growth. Growing money, freedom and multiplication. Growing money means your money starts working for you. Often described as money making money while you sleep. Like planting a seed that grows into a tree, this stage reduces dependence on active work. Money grows through 3 powerful pillars. Investing, letting capital grow through interest, dividends, and appreciation. High-income skills, increasing earning power and funding investments. Building assets, systems and properties that generate